What happens if you get lost in the middle of the Amazon rainforest? At first, it feels quiet, just trees, and endless green. But within minutes, you realize something's wrong. You don't know where you are. Every direction looks the same. Hours pass, and the heat starts draining you. The air is thick, hard to breathe, and you're constantly sweating. Then comes the thirst. You find water, but something moves beneath the surface. Drink the wrong one, and it could make you sick. Step in the wrong place, and something could be waiting. As night falls, everything changes. The forest wakes up. Insects crawl, unseen. Something slithers nearby, and you hear movement, but you can't see what it is. Sleep becomes impossible. Your body weakens. Your mind starts to panic, because in the Amazon, you're never really alone.